So, we have here tuna. Ayan yung tuna. Tuna flakes. Egg. Boiled 7 minutes. Cheese and pasta. Here we have our mayonnaise, lettuce, salami. And we have here onion. This one is wild garlic. Only in spring the wild garlic will grow here. And the celery, cucumber, carrots, only that are ingredients because it's hot, so we will eat cold. So pasta. So now we're going to lunch part 2. We turn left here, and you see that? Yeah, demon on lunch part 2. Like that. Ano, sa commands, arrivé pa. Ayuy, le monsieur. Kapag stasyon na si Dibisik. Dibisik. Wow. The bell no watch. Look. Kaya honey. Cinquanta sorte mi. Ça c'est bon. Ça aussi. Ah, des baraquets. On sait pas. Tu veux ça, Rémi? Il y a de lait, Rémi? T'as déjà goûté ça?
Je sais pas, elle aussi. Celle-là, je l'avais.
Celle-là?
Stéphane, es-tu là aujourd'hui? Non?
Stéphane, je l'ai été là ce matin, mais...
Quel piton?
Pour débarrer. 2 fois. Ouvre la valise.
So this is, guys, we are harvesting some kale. Yeah. We will add this to our noodles, to our pancit. Okay. This is enough, okay? And we will take some onions. These onions. That's it. We have onions and kale. And here we will add our wild garlics. This is our wild garlics. We will add that one. Here I already cut the vegetables. This is the kale, the onions. Here is cabbage, Chinese cabbage, and a Chinese cabbage, and the celery is in the carrots, onion, and garlic. Now we're heating the oil, and the hot water is there also. And the pork, I will add pork. Here is the sliced pork. Now we will add the garlic and the onion first. So, and then now we will add our garlic. Garlic is added. Stir a little bit. Then add the carrot. Then we will add the cabbage. Because this one is the oil that where I fried the meat last night. We're adding all the cabbage, celery, Chinese cabbage is there. We will mix that one, stir it. And our bihon is this one, super bihon, golden bihon. Stir fry a bit. Yeah. Then now we will add our meat. That's our meat, and then we will mix. Yes, everything is mixed. Now we will add the boiling water. This one is boiling water is 2 cups because we have 2 sheets of bihon, super bihon. As you can see, it's boiling very fast because the water is boiled already. So we need boiling water. That's why. Okay. Let's simmer a little bit, like not 1 minute like that. Normally I separate the vegetables, but now since it's boiling, I will add now the noodles. So 2 cups of noodles. 2 cups each of this, like this sheet, like that. I will submerge the noodles, so I will mix that. I will put the vegetable on top. What I did is just I do like that so that the noodles will become wet. You know, the noodles will become soft, absorb the water. It's very important, but it's not yet cooked. The water is just enough for 4 cups of water for 2 sheets of noodles. Now, as you can see, that less water now because the noodles are starting to absorb. I have to do like that so that the noodles will separate. Yeah, will separate the noodles. They're sticking together. Now the water are less water now, almost absorbed. Okay. Here I'm using a tong. It's better because it's easy to separate the noodles. As you can see now, the noodles is not yet cooked because it should absorb all the water. Less water now. So ayan guys, just low heat a little bit, and as you can see, water are reducing, almost dry. So 2 cups of water is enough for 2 sheets of super bihon. Yeah. You can see clearly now the water little bit, and that's fine. It's enough. The noodles will absorb it. Now we will add our, it's almost cooked. We will add this one, our onion and kale. So we have grains, color green, and we will add the leaves of wild garlic. Mix this first. I will use this tong. It's more appealing when there is green, fresh, look fresh. Yeah. Yan. Pancit is cooked. Pancit bihon. This is the best brand in Philippines, super bihon, in Asian store here in Quebec. Yeah. Buy this one product. So now, since our pancit is already done, I will cut little pieces this. That's why I have a scissor. It's easy to cut. This garlic, wild garlic. So it's added already, the leaves of the wild garlic. Now stir. Actually, I off already the heat, when stirring this one. When you mix when you cook the wild garlic, it doesn't taste garlicky anymore. It's like a salad, like that. But when you eat fresh, the leaves and the bulb, it tastes garlic, of course. That's why it's called wild garlic. And our pancit is ready to eat. Thank you for watching, guys. Yeah. So this is the bulb of the wild garlic. Like that. This one I will plant. That's why I only use the leaves. So I will plant this one. Yeah.